take a look at today's stuff, a review of tomorrow's quiz. Tomorrow we're going to be looking at greatest common factor, 15 questions on the quiz. There's two ways of how to do this, and I'm going to do both. You guys only have to do one. One way, I know you should show you guys the list first, so let me show you guys the prime factorization first. Right, 40, I'm going to break that as 4 times 10, and 4, I'm going to break that as 2 times 2, 10, I'm going to break that as 2 times 5. So the prime factorization of 40 will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. If I look at 30, that is 3 times 10, and then 2 times 5. So I'm going to get 2 times 3 times 5. Then I notice that they both have a 2, they both have a 5, multiply them out, and I'm going to say my greatest common factor will be 10. Right? I have to multiply because my greatest common factor got also broken up. So that's why I have to multiply those out. Another way how to do this is making the list. Of 40, I'm going to go 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 4 times 10, and 5 times 8. For 30, I'm going to go 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 5 times 6. And I notice that the biggest number that they both have is 10. Once again, do it prime factorization, or do it making the list, however you wish. For question number 2, the prime factorization of 20, I know I go 4 times 5, 2 times 2, so the prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 5. For 40, I know it from the previous question. I'm going to go 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. But I don't have to do the tree diagram again, because I just broke 40 in my previous question. So I already know it. I know they both have a 2, they have another 2, and they have a 5. What do you get when you multiply those out? 2 times 2 times 5 is 20. So my greatest common factor is 20. If we make the list, for 20, I will go 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. For 40, since I have the list on the left, I'm just going to go 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. It's not that I know the list by memory, it's that I was copying it from question number 1. So once again, my greatest common factor is 20. Any questions? Let's take a look at a couple more examples. I believe that the prime factorization is the one that people prefer. Yes. Not right now. Well, let me see. Let me finish this real quick and then I'll have one. Looking at 50, the prime factorization of 50, I know I can go 5 times 10, 2 times 5. So I'm just going to write that as 2 times 5 times 5. For 20, I know we have that in number 2. So I just have 2 times 2 times 5. I combine those. I look at what they have in common. What's the greatest common factor of 20 and 50? Is it? 10. Right, multiply 2 times 5. Multiply what they have in common. And there you go. Let me take a look at a hard question. Let's take a look at number 16. It doesn't seem that hard, but it's a little tricky on it. So question number 16, my prime factorization of 26 is 2 times 13. 31, it's a prime number. So 31. Alright, I cannot break it up. Then I notice that they share nothing. Right? They don't have anything. if I look on the top, 2 times 13, I can multiply that by 1. And when you multiply by 1, you don't change it, right? Look at 31, I can also multiply that by 1. So now that I notice, they do share a 1. And guess what I'm trying to say on this one? If initially they don't share anything, 1 is always a factor. If they don't share anything, choose 1. Okay? So once again, if they don't share anything, 1 is always a factor. So that number 16 is a little tricky. Not that hard, but a little tricky. Any questions? Good for tomorrow's test? Oh, quick. Let me take roll really quick.